Before we begin, find a quiet place where you could sit or lie down comfortably. Because this is your time. Your time to relax. Your time to reset and let go. And as you listen to my voice, there's nothing you need to do. Just allow yourself to drift. That's it. And as you breathe in, notice how your body responds. And as you breathe out, you might already begin to feel a sense of ease. That's it. Every breath you take brings you deeper into a state of calm. And as you just listen, your mind begins to slow. Just like a still lake at sunset. The ripples settling, the surface smoothing, a quiet stillness spreading inside. Now, imagine a warm wave of relaxation moving down from the top of your head, slowly flowing down, releasing all tension as it moves, melting away any stress in your forehead, your jaw, your neck. Like warm sunlight melting away the cold. This relaxation spreads down through your shoulders. That's it. Down your arms. All the way down into the tips of your fingers. Every muscle softens. Every breath takes you deeper into an effortless sense of calm. This wave continuing through your chest. That's it. Your stomach. And you might notice a lightness, as if a weight you've been carrying has begun to lift. As the relaxation moves into your legs, all the way down to the soles of your feet. And as you let go, perhaps you feel as if you're floating or gently sinking into a soft, warm embrace of pure tranquility. That's it. And understanding that stress, just like a cloud, can come and go. And right now, you have the power to release it. Just imagine for a moment that any tension, any worry is simply a mist, simply a cloud in the sky. And with each exhale, that mist drifts away, carried by that gentle breeze. That's it. And as you watch it go, you realize something powerful. You are not your stress. You are the sky, vast and limitless. The clouds may come, but they will always pass. And in this moment, you are clear, light, and at peace. That's right. And a funny thing happens. The more you let go, the more you feel a quiet strength within you, a knowing that no matter what happens in your life, you have the ability to return to this place of deep calm whenever you choose. In the days ahead, you will find yourself feeling more centered, more in control. You'll notice that situations that once triggered stress will somehow seem easier to handle, because your body will remember this feeling of peace, and your mind will respond with clarity. And the more you practice this, the more effortless it becomes. You can already begin to notice that when challenges arise, you naturally take a deep breath, and a wave of calm washes over you. A quiet confidence guiding your actions, because this relaxation, this ease, is now a part of you. And anytime you touch your thumb and index finger together, your mind will instantly recall this state of deep relaxation. Like flipping a switch, your body will release tension, and a sense of peace will return effortlessly and instantly. And as you continue to breathe deeply, feeling this calm energy flow through you, you know that this feeling is yours to keep. You're in control. You're at peace. And you carry this peace with you wherever you go. And in a moment, I'll count from 1 all the way up to 5. And as I do, you'll slowly return to full awareness, feeling refreshed, renewed, and ready to move through your day with ease. 1, bringing awareness back into your body. 2, feeling energized and balanced. 3, stretching, waking up the muscles. 4, eyes feeling clear, minds feeling sharp. 5, wide awake, alert, feeling absolutely amazing. Welcome back.